We'll guide you through how to use voice chat in Roblox on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really convenient to do because then you can talk to other players while playing the game and it can make it more fun. So to get started, come to the Roblox site, roblox.com, sign in and press the gear or cog icon in the top right and press settings. You do need to be 13 plus in order to go and use it. You can see that in the top right there. Now, what you need to do is go and have your phone number verified. You can go and add it and then get the code sent to it. Or you need to go and verify your age. In some countries, you also need to go and do the age verification anyway. Then once you've done that, you want to press privacy and content restrictions to the left. And you need to press communication. Then go and find voice chat. And you need to go and have this switched on like so. Once you've done that, we need to head to a Roblox game. It's important to note not all Roblox games will have voice chat, so make sure it does. Then you can press the Roblox icon in the top left and press settings. You can then scroll down and choose your input device. This is the microphone, so make sure you choose the right one. Then you can also choose the output device and make sure that's the right one so you can hear people. And then what you need to do is go and press the unmute button in the top left, and that's it. You can go and see we're speaking and you can hear other people as well. Leave a like if you found this useful.